Are you looking for quick and easy gluten-free meals that you can make in just 5 minutes? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you how to make delicious and nutritious gluten-free meals in no time at all. Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to make delicious and nutritious gluten-free meals in just 5 minutes. Eating gluten-free can be a challenge, but with a few simple ingredients and a few minutes of your time, you can make delicious meals that are both healthy and satisfying. Let's start with breakfast. A great way to start your day is with a gluten-free omelette. All you need is 2 eggs, a tablespoon of olive oil, and your favorite vegetables. Heat the oil in a pan over medium heat, add the vegetables, and cook for a few minutes. Then add the eggs and scramble until cooked through. Serve with a side of fresh fruit and you've got a delicious and nutritious breakfast in just 5 minutes. For lunch, try a gluten-free wrap. Start with a gluten-free wrap, then add your favorite vegetables, a protein of your choice, and a tablespoon of hummus. Roll it up and you've got a delicious and nutritious lunch in just 5 minutes. For dinner, try a gluten-free stir-fry. Start with a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your favorite vegetables and cook for a few minutes. Then add your protein of choice and cook until cooked through. Serve with a side of brown rice and you've got a delicious and nutritious dinner in just 5 minutes. As you can see, eating gluten-free doesn't have to be a challenge. With a few simple ingredients and a few minutes of your time, you can make delicious and nutritious meals in no time at all. So don't let gluten-free eating slow you down. Try these quick and easy gluten-free meals today and enjoy the delicious and nutritious benefits. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.